Welcome to another video. I have prepared the following scene in Unreal Engine 5 with 11 Roman bust statues. Some of the statues have been obtained using 3D scanning and photogrammetry techniques. Others have been 3D modeled by artists, and some of them have been generated using generative AI tools. Can you tell which are AI generated? Maybe you recognize certain statues, as they are representing well-known Roman emperors such as Julius Caesar or Trajan. Real photos of existing Roman busts have been used within the workflow. These are the images generated by Leonardo.ai, an AI tool free to use capable of using image input paired with text. As we can see, the text input prompt was Roman bust of a male emperor. Photorealism. The other features have been added based on each image used as reference, which were photos of real Roman busts. This is an overview of the 3D models created using CSM AI based on the images generated previously using Leonardo.ai. And these are the 3D models of some of the used Roman bust statues. These are available on sketchfab.com. As we can see, some of them have been created using 3D scanning techniques based on real assets, while others have been created by 3D artists. The scene was created using the museum environment available within the Unreal Engine marketplace. This asset was offered for free few months ago within the Free Assets of the Month campaign. So to draw some conclusions from this, do you consider these AI tools will change future 3D modeling workflows? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.